Welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tami Winkle. If you are new, thank you so much for joining the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Really appreciate it, guys. Big up on yourself. Alright, so the story time what I'm gonna do right now is about the COVID-19 vaccine. Yes, the PFIZER, guys. Let me take it. I took the shot. Mighty God. Let me see right here. So as you can see, I have my local book. I don't want to get nothing. I took it at CVS pharmacy. Went online, registered to take it. I think it was the Sunday, and get my appointment date for the Monday at 2:15, right? Got a pharmacy, right? And then once I go in, there was this lady at the desk, and she was like, "Oh, you're here for your first dose of COVID-19 PFIZER vaccines." I'm like, "Yes." And then she said, "Okay, can I see your ID?" I show her my ID, and then she fill out a form and give me, and send me to make my way over there, which part the people them under the vaccine. Now when me go in, guys, me expect this long over line. Cause me I tell you say, when me there on the space up on Instagram, watch the vaccine and go on with the people them I take care of Jamaica, and the line long prior to the morning, and then the line them I expect. Guys, too smarty. Two. One guy already in the chair, I take it, and then a lady stand up in front of me 6 feet apart, of course. They go next, and then me at the third person. So I say, alright, that is good. I'm nervous, you know, people. What I say? Hey, me did that, I treat me like I leave, because I come like say, they take the vaccine already. Anyway, so I did that, then get through on my time now. I sit down in the chair, and make sure say when you go, guys, you wear like a short sleeve shirt or a tank top to make it, you know, easier. And I did have a choice to choose which hand I want the shot to go in. So I choose my left hand. I use both hands, but left hand I'm a weak hand, so I'm rather like anything one. Yeah, take the left, not the right. Not the right hand. Oh, when I roll up my sleeve, see my left hand, right? And then before the nurse give me the vaccine, them ask me like to confirm my date of birth, and me tell them my date of birth. Nurse also asked me if I want this sent to my email to say, yeah, me take my first dose. And I say yes, so them take my email and send that off, and I also have my appointment for the next month when we're supposed to take my other dose as well. So I say alright, and then I wipe off my arm and thing, and he was like, yes, I'm under. He was like, alright, it's only gonna pinch a little bit, and then do it like 1, 2, and it down. I'm like, thank you Jesus. And then one of them assistants escort me to a seat where I have to sit down and wait for 15 minutes, because them say just in case there is immediate side effect or maybe I'm allergic to it or something, then you know can rush me to the hospital or I don't know. So I sit down there and I wait. Oh, and them also give me a 20% off coupon. Yes. So you know, baby did and baby start look around already, cause yeah. One thing with coupon, when we get to we have to use at the same time, cause I just threw them that I can't remember about it. So good thing we did a 15 minutes. Them set a timer, the timer go off, and 15 minutes up, me go the same way. So that's at 2:15, right? Alright, 3 to 4 hours, me start feel a little numbness in my arm. No one then, but just if me like move it up or down or unnecessarily, then me start feel a little numbness. Other than that, me never did feel nothing. About 6 hours after, I don't feel no headache, no cold sweat, no breathing problem, nothing like that. I like thank you Jesus. But one thing I tell you, the sleep. I don't know if it is a side effect, but you see after certain time come, I buck me about on the couch where me say knock right out my leg. How this can happen to me just so? Me watch a good movie, me and baby, and then we just start sleep. So I say alright, better we just go to bed. So she said me to take a Tylenol, you know, just in case she asked me if me not pain, if me if me no, me not feel no pain or not. But just suggest me to still take a Tylenol just in case me and pain no work none at all. So just in case, if pain decides it gonna come, you're ready. So me like, alright, I take the Tylenol and just one dose, because normally would I take two, so I just take one because you know me not feel none. And then sleep on one side on my back. So the next morning, me did it and me move around, me cook and everything. I keep my hand active. Me kinda do look arm stretch now and then, just so my hand like no fit one place, you know. So me do that, and then me drink whole heap of water. Me say I never drink so much water in my life because I know water good for a lot of things, right? So me drink water right through. And then another side effect when I say happen, mighty God, me post. I post for my Instagram. I post right through. What I say, me never post so much I did in my life. Cause sometimes me never idea of like 2 times more post on the story and I say yesterday, me I say God no, me just want to keep me and them occupied so you know my body kinda move. Cause I just feel like, oh God, when me go paralyzed. I don't know what to expect. But me tell you, say the internet, they make it just feel like say a whole heap of things can go on, you know, so it's like me today I prepare for the worst. So after that, then what else? Me did good, no headache same way, no nauseousness, nothing like that. Only time I will feel my hand hurt me if me like stretch with something or do a sudden movement, then I just this part hurt me. Then, see you know, I start feel, you see down in that little wrist part right here so, random part here so, it's a sharp pain, you see, you know like when people funny stuff, I saw me feel the sharp pain in my wrist, like, where that come from? That me start feeling and me like, oh shit, my vaccine cause you know, coming out the nothing at all, and then me I feel me like, Jesus Christ. But it just hit me and then it gone, you know. So I'm like, alright, at least me have to feel something, but it never did so bad. But yeah, me go sleep. After that, me not take no more pill nor nothing. Today now, day 3, wrist area still have a little pain now and then, a little sharp pain, and up here so me can move my hand, me can move my arm as you can see guys, you know, it's not too bad. Me cook this morning, me cook some dumpling and mackerel, you know, I make dumpling and a something boiled dumpling, and I have to use it to look much like I say, yeah, so I know my hand is still busy. Thank you Jesus. The second dose is 30 days from now. If you guys want me to do a story time on that as well, just leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this one. Hopefully it will be as good as this. I don't know, because some people say the first dose reaction different from the second dose, so you know my little body can't manage it. And a little tip when I have to share with everybody too. If you consider taking the vaccine or not taking the vaccine, everybody have a choice for now. Everybody have a choice. And with me and my family and my wife, we decided, you know, our health is first and everything. We have to make sure say we do the right thing. No, me not say this is the right thing or it is the wrong thing, but it is what you feel that is best for you or for you and yours. You get what I say? Make sure you do your research. Nobody force nothing down the throat and tell them, say, oh my God, you have to take it all of that, or whatever the case may be. Make sure you do your own research. Anything you decide, this is what you want to do. Not make because somebody do it, you feel like you have to do it. Alright? Just because you take the vaccine, that no means say, oh God, you're immune to COVID now. You can still catch COVID. Yeah, as a matter of fact, probably the risk is even higher for catching COVID. You hear me I tell you? So make sure so you continue wearing your mask, make sure you continue sanitize, wash your hand and do all of these things. for the vaccine, it not go cure you. You get me? I say, just like when you look a bit and you picnic and then give you one shot for flu, or maybe when you eat then give you another shot say to help you to survive chicken pox, measles or whatever it is that go around. It not stop you from catch flu, it not stop you from catch what in a season. It just make you like your system build up to fight off the virus. You know, your system gets stronger to fight off the virus so you don't die. That sounds so wrong, but it is what it is, guys. It's as real as it gets. That's my honest opinion on everything, and whatever you do or decide to do, make sure you don't regret it, because there is no turning back. You get what I say? There is no turning back. Remember, if you want the part 2 for when I take my second dose, which is about 30 days from now, have it on my calendar, because it's good for them sending the email too, just in case you're not sure which day or whatever. And to me, when you go, don't go by yourself, because remember, say everybody's body is different, and how my body reacts to it doesn't necessarily mean other people's body will react to it. So, and when me say this is just my experience and my reaction, me not tell nobody, oh, go take it, so this a reaction you are gonna get or whatever. Yeah, I am not responsible for whatever reaction your body gives off. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you have taken the vaccine, let me know how your body reacted to it. And if you're thinking about taking it, just leave your comment and how you feel about the whole thing below. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and do remember to turn your post notification bell on so you'll be notified first whenever I post a new video. Bye guys, bless up.